Right, hello everybody and welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back from Kyle.
Hi YouTube friends.
Yeah, we're out on a very fun one today. So we're heading up this, this is Stockley Bridge here. We're heading up over this mountain towards Styhead Tarn and we will be carrying on and doing a circular up to Scafell Pike following the corridor route. So this is what I've wanted to do for a while. Kyle's wanted to get up this hill for a while. Yep. So yeah, both for the day free. We only planned this, what, 48 hours ago, even that?
Yeah, 6-hour hike planned less than 2 days.
Yeah. So this is us today. I've only started recording here because we've had a total battle with the wind so far. It's coming in kind of towards me now, so hopefully as we get over this side it's kind of blocked out, but we'll see. But we will get what we can done, and if I just have to do lots of montages and random clips, let it be, but this one's getting recorded. And we'll start off strong with quite a sensational view. Look at that. I should probably show the other way as well. Look at that, straight down into Borrowdale. So we just come up from Seathwaite from down there. Right, so I've stupidly forgotten the wind shield thing for the GoPro, so I've knocked the wind mode on, so hopefully it should counteract some of the gusts we're getting. But it's nothing bad, it's just constant gusts, and obviously when your elevation's going up and you're walking between valleys, we're just in a bit of a wind tunnel. So I found this little cairn on the just off the path anyhow, and we just stopped for a little break. Have you found it so far?
We stepping stone incline was thigh burner like.
You're not so much used to up and down hills anymore though, are you? It's been a while. No. You're like, what was the last one you actually did? Can you remember? What's the last one? Oh, we did Ramdale Knots, but that's not exactly very big. What we're doing now is like 3 of that put together. And a lot more coverage of terrain as well, because this is, I don't know if I said before, but it's about a 10.7 mile loop we're doing. So we will hit Lingmell as well. And there's a couple of others, because of Broad Crag and something else that we can do optionally on the way back down, but we'll see, because around about 3 o'clock this afternoon we are due quite a bit of rain. So for now we've got about 6 hours until then, so we should have plenty of time. I think it's going to be very claggy up at the top, but it is what it is. You can't pick the weather, can you? It'd be a sunny day every day if you could. If you can hear us or not, try and block some mics, but Styhead Tarn, everybody. What a cracking place for a camp this would be. Yeah, I don't know what hill that is, Kyle, but it's certainly way right. Oh god, falling down a little step there. But yeah, I've got out the window a little bit here, so have a little a better look at Styhead Tarn. I was saying, what a view that'd be on a morning. If you can even hear us, here's the famous stretcher box. Who's this? Dirty Mills Scooter Club. Fair enough. Yeah, you just cannot see anything but clag at the minute. You clag! With this summer of hiking for me, it's just going to be one video after the next of just wind, isn't it? Yeah, pretty much all the call. Even the latest drift. And this is August now, I think. Jeez. Summer. Yeah, what a fright we just got. How are you doing there, Disney? There's a little herd of them. Oh wow. Scenic goose. And here is where we turn off. So everyone else seems to have gone up that way, so it looks like a more well-trodden route, but we're the idiots going this way to Lingmell. It looks like a bloody time lapse. Yeah, this is live, people, it's not a time lapse. You can hear the wind, obviously. Here we go, found the brolly. Oh, look at these jaggedy rocks. Gonna do the jump. Whee. So you put your foot out. Aye? It's a little brolly there, Kyle.
It's an Audi Sport brolly.
Bougie.
Audi Sport brolly. I bet this is fucking expensive as well. It's got fucking.
Well, mind your language.
Sorry.
Starting to get a bit of a view of the cables in the distance there. Yeah, still I just can't get away with how fast these clouds get blown across. It's crazy. Here we go. Another little climb up here. God, the views are unreal. Ah, bloody wind, man! Yeah, give this a tackle. You can do it with the camera and whatnot. Might have to go to the left hand, like. It's actually really easy, Kyle. It's really easy, mate. I wouldn't even call this a scramble. It's a jaggedy path. Hey, look, I'm going to continue going up onto this little ridge here. Alright, it just keeps going up at this point. Look at this one. Oh, this is good fun. This is very good fun. Much better than going to sleep. I've done a 10.5 hour shift and then come to do this. Aye, the path is not that well defined really, but it has been quite easy fun so far. Kyle's got commute on, so that is telling us where to go, but there's only that one bit where we split off from the path and I think we come back down that side, so yeah, no, but, nothing but good things to say so far apart from the word I'm getting sick of saying them.
Easy.
We'll just stop for a little sit down, little treat. What you having, Kyle?
Protein crisps.
Protein crisps.
It's just basically air dried pork.
It's I would say bulking season. I was going to say it's boning season.
Boning season.
Bulking season, but yeah. So I think this is Lingmell here. I think, and that's where we're heading first, anyhow. Because that's Great Gable, and it makes sense that looked out over that because it's like the only place you can get that kind of view of that side of Great Gable from what I've read, anyhow. So yeah. Whether we're going to be able to see it up there is looking very doubtful, but I can't believe how much I'm actually enjoying this walk. It's absolutely brilliant. If you like your hills, your scenery, Lake District, like, come and have a go at this walk. Like, there could be bits like we've got the bad step coming up, bits like that could potentially be harder, but so far,
Variety of paths.
yeah, but there's variety. I wouldn't say I've been completely out of breath or anything yet, but there's certainly time for that. Obviously, we've got that stinker of a boulder field to get on top of Scafell Pike, but we'll deal with that as we get to it. How are you finding it, my friend?
Yeah, enjoying it. And enjoyable. It's a lovely little walk.
I wouldn't say a little, but no. Yeah, it's a Lake District classic for sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
Pucker! Just thought they finished the map. Oh, look at that, we're getting a good view of Carl's backside there. Look, he's not wearing a skirt. Usually he's like. I know. Is this gonna be the bad step? It looks like it could be. Turn the camera on the right time if it is. Right, prepare for mine and Carl's demise. It looks like it could be. Doesn't look as bad as I thought it was going to be, but don't quote me if I fall off the side of this cliff. I hope you can hear me. Let's take your time, Kyle.
Can't hear it. Jeez. Yeah, this is the bad step, people. This is the bad step. Look. It's not that bad, to be fair. This is definitely it. Trying to spot the best way down, really, isn't it?
That way, I think.
Nah, because you got that big drop. I reckon this here. Or I don't know. I actually don't know. Aye, let's get some Kyle vision. I'm gonna go with this. It looks like I can slip down most of this. Oh, don't forget the camera. Kyle spotted it. Oh, he's lost his brolly. Are we gonna try this way? We'll let Kyle get down. You did get down the easier way there, didn't you?
Yeah, this way.
What about? I just stepped down on that. Maybe not. I'm gonna have to. It's alright, got plenty of points of contact. Spiky horse. Just need foot grooves is the only thing. Where's it? Gonna have to get my foot on there. I'm good. What he says. Hey! Yeah, so that's it from the way down. Bloody hell. Aye, there. That's the sign. It definitely is the bad step. That's the way up. A lot of people head down that way. And I think that's quite dangerous if you follow that way down. Yeah, if you're doing the corridor route, the bad step, people. That's the hardest bit we had to do today, now, apart from the boulders up to Scafell. So, don't leave us again.
Oh,
woo! The climb continues. Oi. Oh, it's a bit boggy. Might actually, it'd be worth getting my phone out to have a look down that cavern. Look at this, man, it's just getting better, isn't it? Yeah, there we are with the zoom on the phone. Look at that. Crazy.
Oh yeah. I think it's probably just like those.
Oh, it's starting to open up now. Look at that. Slight bit of clearness, but certainly not much. Views are certainly a bit brighter down that way. You can just see a little bit of dirt and water down there. We carry on up the never-ending staircase. Absolutely tiny little town. No idea what it's called or anything. Can you enlighten us?
Sorry?
Can you enlighten us on what this little bit of water is?
Have a wee look, see. It's nameless.
Nameless?
It's there.
We'll call it Kyle Water.
Kyle Water.
Oh. Look at that, man. Wow, the GoPro's not doing it justice, like it never does, but flipping heck. Look, you could walk right down there at the minute, couldn't you?
Yeah.
I don't fancy it, like.
Oh, no, but...
You definitely could. Look at that. It's like something off Lord of the Rings, isn't it? We've said it a number of times on this walk so far, and we'll probably say it a few times yet, but wow, look at that. Should probably get a thumbnail picture here, because let's be honest, once I get up there, wait, I'll turn the camera around. Look, you basically can see nothing. That is crazy, man. Scafell Pike is right there. Hello, legend. Well, lad. There you go, navigational genius that is Kyle. Well, so we just follow this wall into the clag. Aye, how are then? Don't have to be scared. Slight wind shelter.
That way.
Ah, yeah, that's the hill there. That's where we're going up. That thing we can't see. Sheep hotel thing. Too windy! Oh, well, I think this is it. The top of Lingmell. Let's go try and find the cairn, if there is one, and give it a tap. Yeah, we're not getting any views, are we though? Can't be that, it's got to be up here's higher. Let's have a look. Check Kyle's behind us actually. Ah, I can see him. See his head popping up. Yeah, let's go have a look. Oh, she's a rocky one. There it is. Oh, give that camera lens away. Sorry people. But yeah, here we go. Oh, I bet the views would be outstanding. Is it here or is it there? It looks like it's here. Lingmell, done and done. Come on, Kyle. Kyle, come up, give it a tap. Mate, you can't hear a thing right now. Subtitle Lingmell. Come on, Kyle, done and done. Yes. Yeah, look, we've got a little bit of light coming through. I think that's all you're gonna get. Look at that, actual sun. Yeah, we think that's where we come from, through this valley, and then we have all the way around here, come up here, and then we need to go back into the clag to Scafell Pike. Let's get it, my friend. Oh. Come on! What a day, what a path. Oh, it's so fucking windy. Here we go, that's the ascent up to Scafell Pike. I hope you can hear me. And look, yet again, there is a bit of sunshine. Summer is about, Kyle, it is about. We're getting there. How are we doing, Kyle?
Punishment, this one, like.
Feeling it. Last bit of ascent though, you've got this, come on man. Get it up. Right, it's only going to get worse. Yeah. Right, so we can't actually speak to you from the top of Scafell Pike. We just found this little sheep herd kind of thing.
It's a little house, just because it's
I'm sure you've just seen with whatever footage you recorded up there, the conditions are terrible. It was genuine gale force winds up there. It's not raining, but there's so much moisture in the air. My GoPro was looking soaked. Yeah, I started getting cramp in the back of my legs at the worst possible time. But yeah, that's just doing all this walking and being up for pretty much 24 hours.
You powered your way up Scafell Pike.
Yeah,
and then
we're talking of that.
Struggling.
We do have a beer to celebrate, thanks to Kyle's ingenuity. So yeah, cheers folks. A nice northern monk for the top of Scafell Pike. Would you do it any better? So yeah, we're going to sit and chill here for a bit and then get back on the path and start the descent. Put round a few crags and a few more Wainwrights on the way back down, but I think because it's meant to rain like 3 o'clock and it's early afternoon now, is it not?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, it's 1:20 now.
1:20, so we've got probably about 2 hours before the rain starts to get back down, so we'll sit chilly for 15 minutes because we may as well, we're blocked from the wind. And then yeah, we'll bring you back as we're going back down the hill. Right, yeah, Scafell Pike and Lingmell, smashed out. What a way to spend a Friday morning. Yeah. And like I said already in this video, if you're thinking about going up Scafell Pike at all, please consider doing the corridor, because that is what a fantastic walk. Like, and I really want to do it again when I've got better conditions and can actually see everything. Yeah.
And there's less people. If you go the normal route, route that other people do,
I'm literally I don't know if it'll show up on the camera, but I'm look, we're at the top of a hill and you can see just silhouettes of people over there. Whether they can see us is a different matter, but yeah, gotta sit and chill. See you soon. Right, I'm not keeping the camera out, but just so you can see what we're working with. It's a fairly steep descent on this side, like all this scree just slides as you step on it, but yeah, we'll get down. Right, and we bring you back in another clagged out boulder field. Yeah, so we came off Scafell Pike and followed the route we planned to do anyhow, and yeah, it's taking a while to get down, like bloody hell. It's up and down and it's just fields like this, fields of rock. But yeah, following these cairns have been really good. They've been easy to direct even in the clag, so we'll carry on doing that and hopefully we get to a bit of flatter ground, and once we've dropped a bit of elevation, hopefully, fingers crossed, we can see something again. Left, eh? I don't know if it'll show up, but that little bit of water in the distance is Springford Town, and that's kind of the last nice thing, hopefully, and I mean hopefully, we get to look at today, apart from Kyle's not been much anyhow. Yeah, that was quite some descent coming down from there. Like I've shown you little bits of, it was just a boulder field for, I don't even know how long, because it's really hard to judge when you're walking over that kind of terrain. Looking at commute, I'll find out. I'll put it up on the screen here, but I'm going to guess like a mile. Would you say a mile, Kyle?
Yeah, I'd say probably about that.
Completely different type of walking to what it's been since we got up to Scafell Pike anyhow. But yeah, really glad to get that one ticked off. Just a shame the conditions couldn't have been much worse unless it started hammering it down, could it? But yeah, it's what it is. Like we said, cannot pick the weather.
Officially back to the car, it's 3.6 miles.
That's how long we got left, yeah.
Yeah. That's started.
Once we get down towards the town and stuff, it's a lot easier walking, so we'll fly down the last bit. But yeah, what a trail, man, what a trail. I can't wait to put this video together to watch you back myself. Look at this now. We just noticed, I was like, Kyle, it's clear, but yeah, you can literally see the clag layer, and then we just come out of it, and it's so much clearer.
That path takes them to Allen Crags.
Allen Crags, right, yeah. Which, this path here?
Yeah, follow that path, and eventually you kind of take a right to go to Scafell Pike and that, back that way, or a left to Allen Crags.
So we must have just walked around the side of it, and then like skirted around the side of it.
Yeah.
Well, another one for another time. So this looked far too epic not to come across. It's actually meant to be this path here, but we chose to come to the right just because it looked too good not to like head down into this valley here. It all takes us back to the same place. But yeah, just look at it. Amazing. Wouldn't be a trip out in the hills, would it, if you didn't see an abandoned tent somewhere? Being weighed down by rocks. Whoa! You alright, Kyle? Oh dear. They just weighed it down, haven't they? I'd like to assume somebody's maybe coming back for it. It's definitely been emptied, hasn't it? Never know, it could have just flown away from somewhere and somebody's just planted it here. But yeah, I hope it doesn't stay there too long. I didn't actually say this. Well, as the rain starts, here we are back where we started this morning. I don't really know what to say about that trail, like, unbelievable. Like,
Yeah.
it's a slog coming down there, like it's just like staircase pretty much the whole way, and it's ruined my feet a bit. I don't know about you.
Yeah, leaving the Commute trail route,
Yeah,
second the other
down
route.
through the valley.
Yeah, that should have done that.
But it's another valley ticked off, so that's 2 valleys today, 2 Wainwrights. 1 tarn, would have been 2, but we got the other valley instead. So yeah, absolutely cracking day out.
Goal smashed.
I'll definitely be back up to Scafell Pike at some point because I want to see it. Just the views, we've got to see absolutely nothing today. So yeah, it's still one I'd like to tick off again. But from me and Kyle in this video, it's been an absolutely great day out. What we did, about 7 hours of hiking.
Yeah, roughly that, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, great training day anyhow. I've got the West Island Way coming up starting next month, and right off the back of that I'm doing the Great Glen Way as well, so it adds up to about 173 mile altogether. Although albeit the Great Glen Way I think is pretty easy, to be fair, but may as well do it while I'm up there. So yeah, plenty more content coming.
Goodbye, YouTube friends.
So yeah, from me and Kyle, it's been great. Hope you've all enjoyed it. If you have, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And yeah, until next time.